The top 5 best dash cam for Uber and Lyft drivers recommendation. Recommendation number 1. VANTRUE N4 Uber Dash Cam. VANTRUE has released their 3-channel dash cam that features a front-facing road camera, an interior-facing cabin camera, and rear road-facing camera all in one unit that stores video on one memory card. All 3 cameras can record at the same time in full HD video, with the front cam recording at 1104 and the interior and rear cam recording at 1008. The N4 dash cam uses Sony Star VS image sensors, which are known for their crisp day video and clear night vision video. Audio recording can be easily turned on and off with the push of a button. Recommendation number 2. VANTRUE N2 Pro. VANTRUE's N2 Pro sports a rugged, utilitarian design with a variety of useful tech and safety features. Included in the box is a suction cup mount, mini USB cables, car charger, some literature, and the single camera unit itself. You'll need to insert your own formatted micro SD card before setting up the N2 Pro. It supports up to 64 GB of storage, which is more than sufficient for its 2 cameras. The interior-facing camera utilizes a Sony IMX323 sensor capable of recording 1008 video at a smooth 30 fps. Recommendation number 3. Rexeng V3 Dual Dash Cam. The V3 from Rexeng is a 2-in-1 car camera setup with 1 outside-facing camera and 1 interior cabin-facing camera, allowing you to capture video and audio of your passengers, as well as still recording the road ahead. Its front camera records at 2106 when it is just the front recording. When both cameras are going, they record at 1008 at 30 fps. Each camera has a wide 170-degree lens angle, giving you full front coverage as well as the entire interior of your car or taxi. The interior camera is capable of getting video in complete. Recommendation number 4. BLUESKYSEA B2W Dual Dash Cam. With its relatively unique shape and design, the B2W offers dual cam recording for the inside and outside of your car. While most 2-in-1 taxi dash cams have a lens that pivots up and down, the B2W pivots from left to right, while still allowing you to adjust the up and down lens angle by tilting the dash cam mount hinge. Being able to turn the camera left and right allows you to turn your camera to a passenger standing to the side of your car, or record your conversation with the police when pulled over. BLUESKYSEA is known for their simplistic budget dash cams. Recommendation number 5. PRUVEEO C2 Dual Lens Dash Cam. While PRUVEEO C2 may look like alien technology, the camera remains fairly discreet thanks to its unique and unobtrusive placement at the top of your windscreen. Unlike most dash cams, the C2's dual camera setup is completely rotatable, allowing you to face both cameras in one direction or one in either, providing an unparalleled level of flexibility. 1008 HD recording at 30 fps in dual channel mode and 2196/1404 recording in single channel mode ensures a crisp and smooth picture both inside and in front of your vehicle.